Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Well, you know, we are living in goofy times when Google bans employees from using a video conferencing application because of security and privacy issues. That's right, Google bans employees. Well, never mind. No, I am not drunk. Thankfully, there are alternatives out there to the other one in question. And Jitsi may be something to take a look at. Now, I've used this in the past for the live shows. We'll continue to use these in the future for the live shows, for the Linux A teams, and the other shows here on the channel. So let's take a look at Jitsi. This is a terrific application, simple. If we go to the frequently asked questions here, if you are new to this, they answer pretty much everything you need to know about Jitsi. So if we go to downloads, it says here that the easiest way to get started with Jitsi is to start a meeting on our free Jitsi Meet service. So they call this Jitsi Meet. And there are mobile applications here for Apple and for Android. There are some stable builds for Linux also. Well, let's go ahead and take their advice and use Jitsi Meet online. So you can start a new meeting. Now it pops up with a random name for the meeting. Prominent candles, yeah, that was one. Anyway, it does these at random. I will create one and just call this not goofy. Yeah, we'll just call this meeting not goofy because Jitsi is not goofy. It just works. So there is a Chrome extension. I will not be installing that. So here you can see my lovely Xfinity Comcast router with the webcam. I need to shower and shave. That's why I'm not showing my face. So this is, of course, with my webcam. And we'll take a look at this real quick and see what we have here. You can right click and flip this if you want to. But I'll just leave it the way it is. All right, starting at the bottom. Let's take a look here and see what we have. Of course, we have my name. Toss, and I can change that under settings. And by the way, under settings we have devices, as you see here. Very simple. I just wish at least in the web version, I wish there was a way to turn off audio processing. So in other words, I wanted a manual microphone input way to adjust my microphone. As it stands now, I'm not seeing that, at least not in the web version, but it does work. All right, profile. You can type in your display name, the calendar here, and you can sign in with Google or Microsoft and more, such as the language. Everyone starts muted, everyone starts hidden, everyone follows me. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. All right, let's go back here. So we have my name, we have manage video quality from low bandwidth to high. Let's go back here. We can start a live stream. Now this integrates with Google or YouTube very nicely, and of course with Google, or you can type in a live stream key here from Google. Very easy to use. This has worked for me all the time. Let's continue. We can start a recording. This is nice. You will need to sign up for a Dropbox account. This has worked pretty good in the past also. Let's go back. We can share a YouTube video. We can blur background. Of course, I showed you settings, mute everyone, speaker stats, view shortcuts. If we go here, I can start to invite people and share this. So this meeting is called, the link is called meet.jit. Let's see, it's SI/not goofy. It looks like, if I read that correctly. There is a dial-in option with a pin. I can set a password, any password that I want. Let's see, well, we'll just use 0000 for now because I'm not really doing this. We can cancel the password if we so choose to. So nice options here, pretty user friendly. All right, and we go back, we can go here to the toggle view, and this it could be just me, full screen or close to full screen. And then my friends would appear here on the right, or a toggle view with everybody would show up here in the middle of the screen. I can turn on my webcam. I can leave, I can mute. There are some options here, open and close the chat, as you see here. I can wave and share the screen as you see here. Entire screen, application window, at my Brave tab, I can share the audio. And we have my connection here, which is showing good. And this is actually about as simple as you can get if you've never done this before. There's nothing to sign up for. There's nothing to install. As long as you have a decent internet connection, this should work okay. So check out jitsi.org or Jitsi Meet, because Jitsi is not goofy. That's all I have for this one. I hope this is something that you can use maybe in the future. Well, that's all I have for this one. I'll catch you on the next one. So I'll just say arrivederci.